Paul, how about over at Denodo? You want to give us an example of a program you'd like to highlight?
Sure. I'm going to go back to something that Christine, actually a number of the panelists have talked about data or sharing data and the concept of a data fabric. And the program I want to talk about is the PRIDE program at the Department of Energy, Product Realization Integrated Development Environment. We're talking about the national labs, the NNSA, and they're responsible for nuclear research, maintaining the nation's nuclear stockpile, etc. So this is that classified data that you talked about, Luke, the one that the bad guys want to get to. So they obviously work in a very, very secure environment. But they need to share information across these different sites, Lawrence Livermore, Los Alamos, Savannah Riverside, Oak Ridge in Tennessee, etc. They need to share this data between them so they can do more effective research, they can do more effective nuclear engineering work. So they've actually built a data fabric using the Denodo platform across these various sites. I think 12 out of the 13 NNSA sites are actually using the platform now as part of this data fabric. So now Pantex plant in Amarillo, Texas can securely share data with Savannah River, with Oak Ridge, with the Kansas City plant. And each site has control over what it's sharing, how it's sharing it, who it's sharing it with, and also can audit who's actually accessing that data. So this allows these various labs, these various locations to feel confident that I'm sharing data, but I'm sharing it with control. So that, this actually encourages and propagates the sharing of information amongst the various parts of the NNSA. So that's to me a great example of interagency government, sharing of data.
Fantastic.